Choosing the right project management tool is crucial. Let's compare three top contenders: Monday.com, ClickUp, and Asana. Monday.com excels in visual project tracking with customizable dashboards, making it ideal for creative teams. ClickUp is an all-in-one solution offering extensive features like tasks, docs, and chat in a single platform, fitting diverse workflows. Asana focuses on task-centric project management with a straightforward interface, best for teams prioritizing clear task assignments and collaboration. Consider your team's size, workflow complexity, and budget to determine the best fit. Monday.com's strength lies in its no-code automation, perfect for streamlining repetitive tasks. ClickUp stands out with its highly customizable and versatile platform. Asana shines with its goal alignment features, ensuring everyone is working towards the same objectives. Canva uses Monday.com for creative project tracking, seeing a 40% efficiency boost. Buffer uses ClickUp for social media planning, leading to 50% faster content deployment. Spotify uses Asana for cross-team collaboration to improve on-time delivery by 30%. Evaluate your team's unique needs to leverage each tool's strengths.